Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without your phone number. So firstly, go to the link given to you in the description box and you will come to this particular page, which is Portable Apps. So over here just simply download Google Chrome Portable just by clicking on download from portableapps.com. So just simply wait for 4-5 seconds and the download will start. Simply save a location and then download the application. But I won't be doing that because I have already downloaded the application. Now just simply close this window. Now this is the application that you have to download. So after the downloading process is complete, just simply double click and open the application. Then install the application. Now just simply check the box for run Google Chrome with Portable and then press finish. Now over here a new type of window will appear and just simply click on get started. Then just simply skip all of this. Simply search for Google. Then just simply click on sign in. Then click on create account. Choose whichever reason you want. Then enter your name. Enter a username. Enter a password. Then just simply press next. So as you can see over here, the phone number is now optional. Now what you have to do is just simply enter your date of birth. Choose your gender. And one important thing, add a recovery email, because by any chance if you ever forget your password for this email ID, you will not be able to log back in and Google will ban your email ID. So it is necessary that you enter a recovery email address. So just simply do that first. Then after that just simply press next. Then just simply click on agree. And all done. So that's how you can create a Gmail account without your phone number. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.